this pressure okay? Let it kind of fall. Here, come as close as you want here. I want you to take a deep breath in, blow it all the way out, let the body fall to the ground here. Keep going.
Oh!
Wow, sink your body there. Let's take a table.
Oh!
Nice. Kind of fall to the side.
Oh!
Is this pressure okay? Let it kind of fall. One more. One more.
Oh! Oh!
There you go. We just have to go a little further on you. Sensitive. Go a little more. Okay in the back. Deep breath. And all the way out.
Oh!
Almost. Does that feel okay? Did you feel out? All the way. Relax all the way down.
Oh! Ooh,
There
a
we
little
go.
bit.
Oh, goodness. That's stuck. This side here, let the head fall there, shoulder down. As I push into the neck, does that pressure feel okay? Let it drop to the right.
Oh!
You can see clearly now.
It is a song. I can see clearly now.
Yeah.
As I put a little pressure into that, does that pressure feel okay? Let it fall to the left.
Oh!
Nice job.
Oh!
Press, press, on three, press really hard. 1, 2. Almost. How's that pressure?
Good. Oh!
Yeah, how's that pressure?
Oh!
That was great. Go ahead and stand for me. I want to scratch through this all the way up. So, are these sensitive?
They're...
Sit on back, and you can the camera so whatever angle for YouTube you want. So we're gonna scratch through the lower back a little bit. So you let me know if the sensitivity is too much. How's this feeling so far?
That felt good.
Take some deep breaths in. And all the way out. Kind of a brutal technique, isn't it? It's forcing things to move, but it's a really awesome turbo massage. Let's do a little bit the other side. Rotate a little bit the other direction. Very good. Now okay here?
I think that feels good because it's itchy.
And this again breaks down the myofascial adhesions and restrictions that slow your body down from natural movements way better than a traditional massage because I'm able to actually lymphatically push the swelling out. I'm also able to break down little webbings of fascia, just like when steak. You break steak down, you see the white webbings. That's what we're trying to smooth out for you. Let me go ahead and redo your bra with you, okay?
Okay.
Can this be considered cheating?
You can sure. Take a seat right here at the edge of the table and look to your left, right, and tilt to the right. Okay? Isn't that all right?
Yeah, there's a knot in there somewhere.
I mean, chin down.
Yeah.
You're red.
Found it.
She's not blood red yet. We haven't drawn blood yet. So let's try the other side. Twist the other way. Chin down. Good. So again, all those little blood vessels, they may burst if they're stuck within the restrictions, and that's okay. We want them to loosen up because next time we do this, you won't have as many red marks. You will have less and less problems the more you do this, and before you know it, we don't need to do this anymore. Take away the old chronic issues so your new body can regenerate. On the side of this neck, that was an issue right here. Come over to the camera here. Take a look at the hickey that we're trying to develop here. So you know who did it. Dr. Dan did this. He hurt me.
Man, it looks like a hickey.
Yeah, and
Looks like somebody
slightly
slightly hit you.
Looks like somebody actually did try to, you know. Now, if you weren't here, now you'd be like, you'd really question it. This video was
That will be cheating right now. This is a threesome.
Yo.
Look at the back. Turn, reach a little bit more.
Oh
See the
my
back.
God.
Right there.
wow.
Did my back turn like that?
No, not too much.
Slightly.
Holy crap.
I'm just being rougher with her because women can take pain better than men.
Oh, I admit that.
Amazing. Let me wipe off your back.
Burp. Like I felt it go up like a burp.
Oh my God, guys. I just got my first adjustment after a BBL, and because we have to sleep on our stomach and, you know, kind of like this. he felt all the tension and the knots on my shoulders and neck area and my upper back. And I just came out of there looking like the walk of shame. Walk out looking like shit. Makeup was out to here. I mean, whew. Look, I even got a hickey. And my husband was there to see it.